And question number 12. Which of the following is an example of the distributive property? And if you will remember, underline a few things here. Distributive property means that we need to distribute some number, which means multiply some number through another set of numbers that are in parentheses. So let's look through each one of our answer choices. I'm also going to discuss what each one that is incorrect, what it might be. So answer choice A, 2 plus 11 equals 11 plus 2. If you may recall earlier from, I think, question number 1, we did, this would be the commutative property. We have changed the order. So I'll put a little C beside that. So that's commutative property. B, 7 times, in parentheses, 4 plus 3 equals parentheses, 7 times 4 plus parentheses 7 times 3. Okay, now this is a way of distributive property. So we have distributed the 4, or excuse me, the 7 through both of these. So 7 times 4 plus a 7 times 3. So we have the 7 times the 4 here, and it's represented there. And then we have the 7 times 3 here, and that is represented there. So that is the distributive property, which is the correct answer on this one. Let's look at C, just to talk about these briefly. We have a parentheses 5 times 3 parentheses times 4, and then we have 5 times and then parentheses 3 times 4 parentheses. The order is the same, so it's not commutative property. We have changed the association. We have changed the parentheses from being around 5 times 3 to being around 3 times 4. And if you'll notice, I'll underline those where those changed. So that is the associative property, changing how we associate. And D is 9 plus in parentheses 1 plus 5 equals, and then parentheses 9 plus 1. All right, our order is still the same. And again, we've changed our parentheses again on this, which is another associative property. So those are our number properties. This one, distributive property, we distributed the 7 through to 7 times 4, and then our sign here was plus, and then 7 times 3, so B was the correct answer. And then we discussed A being commutative, we changed the order, and C and D both being associative, where we changed the parentheses.